Previously on the journey.
My name is Ripah. We landed in Canada. Making music became my dream job, and it was nice. When I moved here, everything changed. No family took its toll on both me and my dream, so I started studying. Since then, I've produced my own songs. I couldn't afford to lose this idea, and I had to put it into action.
It's serious. When you say serious, this is gonna change the world.
Yo, what go on? Now them man have nothing good to say about you, brother. When they see you up, they want to keep it down same way.
But some people stay, some people stay.
Give me an idea for your song.
I'm not working for that big break. I'm creating a legacy.
This is what I have to laugh, man. Music thing, you take whole heap of work done. At them man, they feeling.
I'm turning this into an asset.
I like how it grow.
The timing for anything I'm doing will never be perfect.
Oh yeah, say man, redeem day of it days, cause
That's what this is all about. I mean, everything.
Watch the cops kill me people on the camera.
The last time this happened to me, I was in Jamaica.
Cause me feel like the one you have a vibe. Me feel like the one you hot.
The unprecedented heat smashed Canada's temperature record.
On Sunday, BC shattered 60 heat record.
This thing is getting even worse than I thought.
The worst thing is this not take me again.
I'll put more me there. Me no feel like my heater.
And it feels like it's never gonna end.
And the heat wave kill me. That's the weirdest thing.
One of the scariest times in my life. All the AC units were sold out.
All the families who have lost their loved ones.